So it's time for me to get a new Stitch Fix box. And there's one thing Stitch Fix does that maybe a lot of people aren't aware of. They give you a preview of the things that they're about to send you. So today, I got an email saying that my preview is ready. Now, you only get a certain window of time to go into the email and respond to the preview. Now, I've never done this before because I feel like if I go out to the website and then I pick stuff and I see the price and I'm like, yeah, send me that. I mean, that's just online shopping. So what's the point of the service, right? I got that service because I wanted the styling help or whatever. So, I prefer to be surprised. So I've never done the preview thing before, but today I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna do it for you. I'm gonna do it for you, and you're gonna do it with me, right? So we're gonna go into my preview and see what they're talking about sending me. We're gonna decide what I want them to send me and what I want them to swap out. And then when I get the box, I'll do a review and we're gonna see how we did. And really, does that take something away from the experience? Does that take the fun away? Or what happens? So, all right, let's do this. Okay, so let's get into this. This is the email, and let's go to the site, Stitch Fix. All right, so this is the site. Right at the top, it says your fix is ready to preview, and down below, there's view preview, but this is something new, and I might do a video about this. But yeah, that's the only one that really looks like me. AI and my face don't go along. Anyway, let's get into the preview. So I get 28 hours to look at this. Is this it? Is this? Okay. This is. Okay. All right. So here it is. Those pants look familiar. Are they cropped? I hope they're not cropped. These are cropped, I can tell. But are those cropped? I can't tell from the picture. That looks familiar. I picked that before, I think. Okay, there's the buttons. Decline, add to fix, and so forth. And this is more stuff. Oh, what's that? Okay. Okay, so I like to look through everything first, and then we'll go back and make some decisions. So that's all right. So this is what we're working with. Let's start with this one. Oh, she don't look so bad. It still looks pajama jammy. It looks like pajamas to me. Oh, I like when they do this, when they they give you suggestions of what to wear. This is an example. They do a really good job of that. Looks like Pinterest boards. I don't think I want that. Decline. I don't like it. All right. Let's look at this. What is that, a dress? It's a jumpsuit. Okay. Oh, that's cute. Okay, let's get that. We'll see. That's not something I typically wear, but I'm ready to try it. These things, no. And what is that? That's bothering me. This and the waist doesn't look high. Nylon and spandex, so they ain't gonna breathe. Yeah, these are a no. I don't know. No. I don't like it. Yeah. Okay. All right. What we're gonna look at next? Let's go up here. Let's look at these pants. I think these are kind of cute. Maybe not. Well, let's look at them. Let's try them. They're wide leg. I'll try it. Bring it on. Okay, these they alright. I don't love cropped pants. This I'm not crazy about that raw edge. I don't think so.
I don't think I'm gonna get this one. We can decline. I'll say it's too pricey. Yeah. Okay, democracy. Let's look at these. French terry. Okay. I don't like how they look on her. I'm not. No. I got plenty of light jeans, so nope. Nope, nope, nope. And I'll go ahead and get that because I do like it. And I know I rated it. No, it says this. Okay. I'm going to get it. Let's roll with it. Make some decisions here. Okay. All right. What we got left? There's 2 no's. Let's look at this thing. What is happening here? Oh. Baby, no. No, I don't like it. No, I don't like it. Keep that. Nope. Save. All right, what else we got? What we got left, y'all? We're getting through this pretty fast. Merci. I like French en français. Oh, $59. And that's knit. I don't think so. Let's look at this one. It's okay. I mean, how much is it? Oh, it's fleece for 40. No, baby. Y'all keep that. Keep it. Decline. All right. Let's look at. I don't know. I can't make up my mind. All right. So 3, 2, 5. But I want 8. You gave me 8. Why are you just giving me 5 now? I don't see where I can change it. Okay. Your 5-item fix. Why? That sucks. Maybe it's because I picked. If I pick. Yeah, I can keep that. All right, let's see if it changed. Nope, still 5. Well. All right, well, let me give them a note. Maybe I'll give them a note. Put something in here. I want spring stuff. The weather's turning nice. Let's see. Springy, feminine. Some springy, feminine stuff that's easy. You know, just so I can throw it on and still look cute. Springy, feminine, easy pieces. Don't give me no skinny jeans. Or cropped pants. I don't want them throwing anything in there. Cropped pants. Cropped pants. Oh, and budget friendly. So, budget friendly. Budget. Not budget. Budget friendly pieces. Would be awesome. So tell them about that Merci. Maybe I'm not going to change my mind about that Merci sweater. It's cute, but it's not $59 cute. Yeah. All right. Well, go on and thank them so they don't get mad at me about that $59 cute comment. All right. Well, I guess that's it. 3 items, and then we'll see what other 2 items they send. So yeah, that was the preview. I don't know. I saw stuff. I made decisions. I kind of know what I'm going to get. We'll see. I mean, it's going to be a couple of weeks before I get it, and I'll probably forget. And I got to try the stuff on, right? So there's that. So maybe it'll still be fun. All right. So I hope you come back and check out the box when I get it. And if you haven't already seen my other videos, I'll link them here, there, somewhere on the screen so you can check them out. And be sure to subscribe so you'll be, and you have to ring a bell, right? So that way you'll know when I drop a new video and when I get my box and post it. So I hope you'll come back. So thank you so much for hanging out with me while I figure all this out. Thanks for watching. Bye.